In this room, we have second day of cool down. We saw this room yesterday, and now it's second day, and we have 96% of humidity, CO2 2800, and we have much more mycelium than we saw yesterday. We would like to have this mycelium more fluffy, more dense and thick. But in this room, mycelium not strong enough, and this is because we have tiny structure of casing soil, and if we use higher humidities and higher CO2 level, our shelf will be too wide. But grower on this farm prefer, and he get used to make like this. It also will be good, but we recommend you to try to achieve more fluffy, more solid mycelium. Now you can see video from another farm where Yuri did cool down, and on this video you can see a little bit better results on the first day of cool down. In this room we have humidity 97% and CO2 level 4000 ppm. As you can see, mycelium is more fluffy, more thick. We have less caking and structure of casing more rough. This mycelium grows very strong vegetative, and you can see the difference between this mycelium and mycelium that we showed on farm where we record our course. And this is what we think is better to try to achieve on the first day of cool down. The next day after we started the cool down, the next day after day 0. Now the day 1 of cool down, second day after we started cool down, we started it yesterday, and you can see that we maintain high humidity in this room. Our humidification is switched on. Our walls are wet, floor is wet, and climate in the room is very humid, and this is what we try to achieve on this stage, and this gives mycelium still opportunity to grow vegetatively. Now I will say maybe a thing that will be a little bit strange for experienced growers, but for those who just starting grow mushrooms, I want to emphasize that during cool down period we don't water our shelves at all. We don't put any water on the shelves, because any water, any drops that will fall to the shelf will create pins that we don't need now, and our mushrooms will be dirty and results will be bad. So we keep humid climate in the room, we keep floor wet, we keep walls wet, but we don't water our shelves.